What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we got another Aero Precision product. This is the Aero Precision 20-inch 5.56 complete upper receiver. We're going to be unboxing here today. And basically, I wanted to kind of have like that retro Vietnam-looking M16 gun. And if that's what you're looking for, because, I mean, retro's in right now, this is a great choice to check out. So with that, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and check it out. So as far as the unboxing, we're actually going to do it right here because as you can see, it's a rather larger box. This is a 20-inch barrel on this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this opened here. So, nice, and look at this. As you can see right out of the box, definitely has that retro vibe to it. We got a carry handle, the fixed front post, and again, this is a 20-inch barrel. And then again, we have that old school kind of handguard on it here, the plastic one. So pretty awesome. I think this looks cool. I'm excited to get this on a lower here. The one thing to note with Aero Precision, as far as them calling it a complete upper, is they don't consider the charging handle and bolt carrier the complete part, I guess, which many other websites do, or they do include it with their complete uppers, but they do not. So just a heads up, if you are picking this up and you have a lower you're going to be putting this on, you do need to buy a bolt carrier group and charging handle, or have one from another AR to drop into this. The only other thing that was in the box here is we got our sticker, so that's exciting as well. But other than that, it's just foam and the cardboard that you can get rid of. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a lower, show you what it looks like once it's all together. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at that. Looks pretty dope there. Awesome. So as you can see now, I did attach it to my lower, and for my lower, I did have a fixed stock on there to complete the whole vibe on this one with the retro. Again, once you have a fixed stock, carry handle, the fixed front post, and a 20-inch barrel. Oh, and I almost forgot, you need the 20-round mag as well, like I have here. Then you kind of have your completed setup here, and I think this looks awesome. There's not a whole lot else to talk about here. As far as this Aero Precision upper, I'm excited to actually get this out and shoot it, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you what it looks like once you do put it on a lower receiver. And again, if you have a fixed stock on it, it's gonna kind of have that retro vibe and look to it as well. Man, and I tell you what, it just has that, I don't know if it's nostalgia or just a very classic feel to it, you know? Obviously the look's there, but once you get your hands on it and actually kind of grip it and rip it, it feels pretty cool, not gonna lie. Like I said though, I'm excited to get this to the range, actually get some rounds through it here, try it out. I'll give you guys an update once I do that. But as for this video, that kind of does it for here today. If this was helpful, like and subscribe, always appreciate that. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments, more than happy to help as well. And as always, until next time, have fun shooting, and I'm gonna take my carry handle here, and we'll see you soon.